Class 12th, good morning. In mathematics today you will be doing applications of differentials continued, and our topic was going yesterday as rate of change of quantity. So yesterday I explained some questions with theoretical part of it. Today I am solving here more examples for your reference on rate change of quantities. So first question, I have taken a particle is moving along the curve 6y equal to x cube plus 2. Find the points on the curve at which y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast as x coordinate. So here you are given relation between rate change of y and rate change of x coordinate. So you are given dy upon dx equal to 8 times dx upon dt, and equation of curve is given 6y equal to x cube plus 3. You have to find a point pxy or points xy on this curve under this condition. So differentiating equation of curve, you will get 6 into dy upon dt equal to 3x square into dx upon dt. We are differentiating both sides with respect to t. But given dy upon dt is 8 times dx upon dt. So putting the value 6 into 8 into dx upon dt is equal to 3x square into dx upon dt. And on solving you will get x equal to plus minus 4. And putting the value of x equal to plus minus 4 in the equation, you will get two values of y as 11 and minus 31 upon 3. So therefore points on the curve are 4, 11 and minus 4, minus 31 upon 3, and that is your answer. Now second question I have taken, sand is pouring from a pipe at the rate of 12 centimeter cube per second. The falling sand forms a cone on the ground so that its height is always 1/6 of radius of the base. How fast is the height of cone is increasing when height is 4 centimeter. So here you have to first formulate volume and height. So because volume's rate change is given and rate change of height you have to find. So here dv upon dt, answer I have written dv upon dt is 12, and you have to find dh upon dt when h is 4. So volume of the cone is 1 upon 3 pi r square h, as you already know, or the condition is also given r upon 6 equal to h here. In the question it is given height is always 1/6 of radius of the base. So you have to eliminate r from here as you have to find rate change of height only. So volume should be written in terms of h only. So r equal to 6h you will put in the formula of volume. You will get it as v equal to 1 upon 3 pi 36h square into h, that is 12 pi h cube. On differentiating it with respect to t, dv upon dt is 36 pi h square into dh upon dt, or putting the value of h and then solving and getting dh upon dt from this equation, you will get it as I have shown it in the calculation, 1 upon 108. It will be actually I have written by mistake 48. So correct it, 1 upon 108 pi centimeter per second. Then question number 3, the rate of change of area of a circle with respect to its radius r is 6 centimeter. So this I have written MCQ. So you have to find rate of change of area when with respect to radius r equal to given value is 6. So I have given 4 options A, B, C, D with 10 pi, 12 pi and 8 pi and pi respectively. So the answer here you will see the correct option is C, 8 pi is correct answer, as A equal to pi r square area of circle, dA upon dr is 2 pi r, but r is given 4. Putting the value of r equal to 4, you will get dA upon dr equal to 8 pi centimeter square per second. And now I have written homework for you. Similar questions are given in your exercise 6.1 based on NCERT part 1. This is for your home assignment, exercise 6.1. Solve it and show it to me, and if there is any doubt, clarify it from me.